Button. Are you excited to go out, Ferg? Huh? Are you excited to go out? Are you excited? Huh? Do you want to go outside? You know it's out there, don't you? Huh? You know it's out there. What do you think, sweetheart? Do you want to go outside? You know it's out there too, don't you? Mac's like, oh. Mac's like, ugh. Okay, well, come on, let's go. Let's get the door open. Are you ready? Are you ready to go out? Yeah, I know. Hold on. Are you ready to go out there? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, come on, Annabelle. Hon, you'll have to shut the door behind me.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, come on. Actually, I think you'll have to kick her out. Come on, Annie. Come on, get outside. Where'd you go, Ferg? Oh, there he is. Fergus. Fergie? Fergie. What's the matter? Fergie. What are you doing? Annabelle, what's the matter, baby girl? What are you doing, Ferg? Huh? What are you doing? Eating snow. Huh? What are you doing? Crazy dog. Oh, there, Mac's getting into it. He says, oh, I remember snow. Don't you want to come down and roll in the snow, Annie? Huh? Oh, there's a girl. That's a good girl. Roll in the snow. Oh, you're such a dink. Huh? You're so silly. What do you think, beautiful girl? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Huh? You want to go back in? You want to go in the house? Can't believe it.